Hello. In this week's module, what I learned about and what I want to talk about is the African American soldiers during World War One. There, some of the things that stood out to me from learning about this was learning about soldiers, how soldiers put themselves really out there and they really put themselves on the line and things happened and people and soldiers got hurt, and even though soldiers got hurt, they still weren't taken seriously, and it still took a lot more time for acknowledgments to happen. Something else that shocked me was learning about the women who obviously during that time weren't able to participate in the war because it wasn't allowed, but also that African American women wanted to be nurses, but because of the laws that they had about segregation, they didn't allow women, African American women, to be nurses, and it stopped them from having more nurses during World War One. And I believe in the lecture it said that there was only two nurses, but that was one of the things that really stuck with me because it's baffling to think that in the past there was a time and place where they didn't want the help of an African American woman just because of the skin color and because of laws that others had made in the past.